Hi there. We will guide you through how to convert an image to editable text. Here we have an image with text in it. I want to edit this and use it. So what we need to do is open a web browser and go to imagetotext.info. So this is a really good website, and what we can do is drag and drop, upload or paste image. So I'm going to browse one from my computer. So here it is, and open it. Now I click on convert in the bottom right. It won't take too long. Wait a bit. As you can see here, we have now got it the text, which we can copy by pressing this button or download over the right. I will go to copy it and then come to this document, and I'm going to paste it here. So here it is. It's very easy. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.